Hi guys! Vlog ni! So, lanta ko sa one vlog. Yeah, enjoy our vlog.
So, nakita niyo naman natin yung
GoPro ko na yung video.
So guys, ito yung nakamo, look out. Look out.
Look out!
Look, the surrounding is very good. Hi! It's very nice. Yes guys, nakita kami iras. Naku, laman ni iras! Ay, santaped, walang galit. Ay, santaped, walang galit. Una set up namun. Kada minutes, gagawa kami. Ang isa, masulo. Ang tuwa, masulo. Di mahigo. Di mabulos naman kami. So, nakatapos kami. Kasi sa subong tawahay ka.
Oo, tsakto. Welcome. Ay, welcome. Pastor na, musician pa. Water monster.
Hi guys, amo na ning amon nga.
Kalagayan. Ang ating nga status. Kalagayan. Ano kayong tawag sa Tagalog? Kalagayan, ha?
Pitang. Daydang.
Naman ba, Monique? Kapoy.
This is me after...
After 3 concerts.
So guys, ari na kami subong sa diin.
So, Dumaguete.
Dumaguete. And
Ay, yung Sibulan, no? Sibulan.
Yes, Sibulan, and we're going to sing and praise.
Ano favorite mo nga song?
Solid Deo Gloria.
So, ito yung...
Natani man namin kitang sunset.
Sunset.
Yes, Lord.
Yes,
Bless
Lord.
us with sunset. So, pakita namin sa inyo sa sinyo. Pakita namin sa inyo ang among vlog with beautiful sunset. Yes. Let's see. Let's see.
Lugas huyop. Yeah. Grabe. Grabe kang time. Kang time.
Hello everyone, we're now here at Zamboanga City or Barangay or Municipality, whatever it is called. We're here to sing our last song of the day. Aside from the Boulevard. Yeah, and we're gonna sing whatever we're gonna sing. Yes. And here's Kate.
Yes, let's go, guys.
This is our
Transition.
This is our wait, no, this is our 5th location for today.
Yes.
Pray for us.
Let us go.
Let's go.
Woo! 1, 2, 3, go.
Go.
I would rate it 10 out of 10. Yes.
Yes.
So I ordered wait lang ha. Ice vanilla cold foam coffee jelly black tea. So hindi ko memorize. So okay, I needed to take a picture of it. Yeah, that's it.
Kaya there.
So you want there now, check the float. Okay, foam, yeah, I just remember it's foam and it's hard. So it's 11 out of 10. Exactly what I expected. Good for a second try at Starbucks.
Yes. And they also got a latte.
TikTok ko tama lang.
Hi guys. Now it's a Bolivar.
Ay, nakami sa Bolivar.
Guys, we're currently at the night market.
Yes. Baklat ko muna ako. Souvenirs na magamit yung life.
Wow.
So, it's not siya na.
Gago.
Sa my vlog na may sobrang masakit na araw. Joke lang, basta.
Why is your... I left my eggs here in Dumaguete.
And I claimed it again.
In Bacolod 7.
I ate my eggs in the morning.
Lami. Oh, guys, crunch. Boga? Say bye, guys.
Hey everyone, like seriously, it's so amazing. It's a hot day, isn't it?
Can you say hi to our vlog?
Oh, hello vlog.
Ang kalay black.
To my vlog. This is our last day. Ang sarap ba yan?
Come. Balo namin natin sa maayos tubig. Maayos walang tubig.
Chuchicho. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday mo pa. Happy birthday.
Where? This one? Corner, yeah. The corner.
Uwi na kami sa Mudo.
For coffee, so for in it, but it was such a good experience. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. We're now here in City Mall. We stopped for a while. We looked so long because it was so long.
Yes.
See you.
Uy, Barbie. Asa ta? Pag in-order mo? Yummy! Look!
Update.
Sige lang.
Yung burger.
Dahil 6 man lang tong burger.
Oh, ano? It is from Ganda mo.
Amo na. Bye guys.
Bye.
Say bye to the vlog. Bye bye. Bye, Chikme.
Bye, Tinods.